head in the clouds. I say I just refuse to settle for anything less than everything I dream. Either way, it's a long road. The world turns its back on you. You find yourself treading through the wilderness of your mind, just trying to make sense of all the passions you've stirred up along the way. Your thoughts betray you. Doubt sinks in. Before you know it, you're like everyone else. Just another used-to-be dreamer that let the dream slip through the sands of time. Not me. The mind of every dream is a wilderness. Sometimes living the dream is just fighting to see the sunrise.
Long after we go down to the grave, I dream, this ain't every day, it's just me against everything. Talking rise to the rhyme of the king, but I know what it means to defeat this thing. Never go, never get the last thing. I dream I say, I'm dreaming till I'm dead gone. It's like a breath that fades upon an hourless stage. I'm a dreamer. Ain't what I'm planning for. I overstand the pain, still don't understand it though. I'm being persecuted till I find an antidote. So gon' die for nothing, I'ma die for what I'm standing for. Walking through the sea of suffering, but still I persevere. And I done got enough, don't need no tattooed tears. I've been dreaming for years, down the man in the mirror. God is with me home and tell me what I got to fear. Count the cost on the day I was marked by the cross. I could die tomorrow as a martyr and there's nothing lost. So you can't kill me with your weapons, words of prejudice. How you gon' take my life when God already scheduled it? Cause I dream, this ain't every day, it's just me against everything. Me against everything, it's me against everything. Every day, it's just me against everything. I am a dreamer. Till mine gets justified.